Today I'm taking a look at the EDUP HDMI wireless extender. So you got TX and RX. TX is the transmitter, RX is the receiver, so this is going to plug into your monitor, this is going to plug into whatever you want to send the information from. We also got some caps on the back, and that is going to be for threading on our antenna. We got our antennas. So this is going to be the one thing that really makes these ones stand out as opposed to other HDMI extenders. Most of them do not have antennas like this. It's going to make it a little bit more bulky, but if you really want to get a long range or you just want to make sure you have a perfect signal, this is going to be the style that you want. We have a female to female HDMI adapter, so if you want to plug into something that already has a male plug on it, you can use this in order to couple it. And we have two power cables. These are both USB-A to USB-C. All we have to do to attach the antennas is thread it on. As this does make it quite a bit longer, we can bend that out of the way. These do require power, so we're going to plug the USB-C cable into there, plug the HDMI into there, and then we have a reset button in the event that we have to reset it. We got our instructions, and in the instructions it does say that we can use that dual female adapter for pairing it in the event that it ever loses pairing. So I'll plug in power for the transmitter, and I'll plug the HDMI into my camera. Then I'll plug in power for my monitor, and I'll plug an HDMI cable into that. Now if I turn my camera on, there we go. So we are now getting the output from the camera directly onto that monitor. That's going to make it a lot easier to see. So if I ever have to move this thing around, I can do that. I don't have to worry about there getting any kind of wires or anything in my path. And I can easily see exactly what's going on. So yeah, as far as the whole rig is concerned, that doesn't take up a whole lot of room. And that significantly increases what I can actually see instead of trying to use that tiny little screen right there. So that is a very nice transmitter.